This little guy here is Pepe. He is our black lab mix. We're not really sure what he's mixed with, but his face almost looks kind of houndy. He's very friendly. He's just a little pup. He's probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 months old tops. He's coming along very well on his potty training. He does need some more and stuff because he's just a pup, but he is starting to get it. He is just a really friendly, nice dog. Gets along with everybody. I mean, he's still in that age where he's moldable, so he can be whichever dog you want him to be. Oh, buddy, yes, you're so friendly. Pepe just came to us as a transfer from another shelter. He's very nice. You should come check him out at the Rifle Animal Shelter. We're open every day 8 to 5, right across from the Rifle High School. All of our dogs will come vaccinated up to their age. They will all be neutered or spayed, and they will actually have a microchip on them that's good for a year. So if you want to check him out, come to the Rifle Animal Shelter and check out Pepe. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. He's being lazy. Hey, Robbie. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy.